I'm fly, bitch, but they can never swap me. Maybe they can delay it, but they can never stop me. Put this song on replay, make a couple copies. I can rap so slow and they don't gotta chop me. I am getting to the money, I'm on my monopoly. I am getting all the screen and I ain't talking broccoli. Call me Mr. TiVo, save me later to watch me. I'm not on my literature, but I just killed them softly. I don't got no street credit, dirty money, just wheat bread. I am getting real big, yes that is what she said. You know I'm a joker but no broke back. And yes I am white but I am no Pat. I'm the quickest with these witty little lines. Go and grab Mel Gibson cause baby we found a sign that I will be the best in the game. No vegetarian because I go against the grain. And do not act like I'm playing. I spit this fire like a dragon, no slaying. Come on, tell me who is gonna slay me. They take a look at my joystick and bitches wanna play me.